Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a fall haul from Revive Essential Oils. I recently placed an order from Revive to create content for them and also just to have fall essential oils on hand for us this fall. And so this will be a fall seasonal order, I guess. But I think I got quite a bit, so I'm excited. I restocked on a couple of things. This is actually, I think it might be a new scent. It's lavender and rose deodorant. I have the citrus one right now, and we really like it. My daughter is just starting to get into using deodorant. Not that she really needs it yet, but she just wants to. And there's no way in heck that I would let her use anything other than a natural deodorant, fragrance-free and aluminum-free. So, oh, this one smells really good. I like the citrus one too, so it just depends on what kind of aroma you want to go with, but they both smell really good and they both work for me. If you find that natural deodorants don't work, one, you do have to reapply them. They're not gonna last 24 hours or whatever the other one you use promises. So just keep that in mind. I like to have mini ones on hand too. Native is also a brand that we like, and they make mini ones that we really like. And also I will link them down below. Anyways, that helps with that. And also you might have to do an armpit detox. That's something that's common. I feel like when people are trying to just automatically or just instantly switch over to natural deodorants, is like they don't work well, and it also takes time to adjust to them. So anyways, that's my spiel on deodorant. I have some fall essential oils that I'm really excited about. Pumpkin pie, nutmeg, cinnamon bark. So nutmeg and cinnamon bark are obviously self-explanatory. Pumpkin pie is a blend. So this one has, where's the list? Clove, oh my gosh, do I need glasses? Clove, cardamom, cassia, nutmeg, and vanilla. I have whipped pumpkin, let's see if this will focus, that we really, really love. It's kind of like a warm whipped like pumpkin, kind of like a pumpkin dip. But this one I think is gonna be a little bit more spicy. It is, oh, that smells so good. Oh, there's like different layers to this. It's spicy but sweet with the vanilla. Oh, that smells really, really good. I'm gonna make some really fun DIY videos for Revive soon, so make sure you look on my channel and theirs for those. I love sharing recipes using the oils. We got a lot of oils. We got a lot of stuff. Anyways, clove. So I got nutmeg, clove, cinnamon, and what else? Orange and ginger to make your own PSL or pumpkin spice latte blend, pumpkin spice diffuser blend, or just to have like mix up in an empty bottle to have your own if you are into making your own blends. Also, they have PSL. This is pumpkin spice latte, so you can just buy this and skip the DIY, whatever route you want to go. But this one has clove. Oh, and I also got coffee to add to that too. I have a few different just fall blends. But anyways, this PSL pumpkin spice latte blend has coffee, clove, Peru balsam, sweet orange, ginger, cardamom, cassia, nutmeg, black pepper, vanilla, star anise, angelica, damania, and opopanax, which I'm not familiar with. That is a different essential oil, or it's a resin. So that's, I'll look into that, maybe put something on the screen here, but okay. So this is going to be like if you are into fall candles. I don't know what it is about candles. I think it's just the different elements, like so many different fragrances or scents or aromas that are in the candle. This smells like a fall candle. This one smells like, where's the pumpkin pie? The pumpkin pie is like, you can just pick up the different notes. So it's spicy, sweet, and what was it? Clove, cardamom. So it's warm, spicy, and sweet, but you can smell all of those different things as you smell it. This one is just like, oh my gosh, it's such a good blend. It is just blended well. I don't know how to explain it. Next, I got, oh my gosh, I couldn't resist this and I wanted to get more, but I got 2 pumpkin pie foaming hand soaps. I have the Summer of Love one right now at our sinks, and oh my gosh, Summer of Love was my favorite summer blend, but this one is pumpkin pie. So did I have pumpkin pie already? So it's this in a foaming hand soap. So it's going to be, I'll just take a quick smell. Comes with a foaming hand pump, and I like the bottles. It's not glass. It looks like a frosted glass, but it's not. Spicy, warm, sweet. It smells very, very good. I'm excited to swap out those. This is just another one. If you buy in a 2-pack, you save. I think you might actually be able to do a 4-pack too. But we love their hand soaps. And then lastly, what is this? Oh, this is separate. I'm going to do a whole another video on this. They just packaged them together, but this is their fall box 2024. So they have seasonal boxes if you didn't know, and you can go on their website and I think subscribe to that, and you'll get spring, summer, fall, and winter, just a bunch of different oils that come in each one. So I'm gonna do a separate video about this, and so I will post that separately, but that is what I got to make so many different fall recipes. I will post those on my channel too, but make sure you follow Revive on Instagram so you see theirs. But I have, these are just, oh my gosh, if you need to build your fall collection, this is it. Let me know if you have any questions. The link to shop Revive will be down below. I also have a code TOREY10 to save 10% now, so use that to save a little bit of money. And thank you guys for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.